Alright, yes! Time to unbox this absolute unit of a machine. Let's get rid of these. Smiley foam piece for protection. Aye, that's a nice cover. Let me just put that there. You know what? Let me lift up this whole thing. Eh? This is kind of heavy still. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, this must be the printer bed. Alright, feels well made. And this is the resin vat to pour the resin in. Come on. Aye, finally, the main unit. Now on the sides it comes with a USB and a power port. Alright, let me see what's in here. Alright, let's see, here comes with a USB in this bag, right here. This power block, some gloves, then a scraper. Let me hold on to that. And some more of the power plugs, and a mask. What else? Ah, of course, the manuals. So guys, what you're seeing right now is I'm just raising the Z axis to get it prepped. You will need to do this so you can mount the resin vat later on. Nice! There we go. Strip this sheet here. Give this sucker a wipe. Now a quick polish. Also, don't forget to use this, as this removes any of the last dust residue. Time to lay down the screen protector. Once that's done, what you'll want to go in to do is use this tool to iron out some of those air bubbles that are stuck in between. That should do it. Now peel this top layer. And finally, remove the film off the bottom of the resin vat. Time to install the printer platform. One thing to remember is to tighten the top bolts, but loosen the side bolts. Now, for the items that you received, place the paper down and press the home button to start leveling the bed. After this, you're going to want to tighten those loosened side bolts. Let me go line up this resin vat here. Sorry guys, I'm suffering from a cold right now. And screw these back in. I've got some UV tough resin for this test, as I was going to use it for a project later on. Also, I bought some resin dye to give it some colour. I've already poured the resin in, and so it was time to put the cover on and set it up. Okay, click print and run this test file. Yeah boy, it started. Come on. First print. Success. To clean the prints, I used a cheap homemade system using isopropyl alcohol in some containers. Alright, time to check on these prints now. So guys, I also made this DIY curing station using this metal container and some UV LED lights, which worked by the way. The prints cured thoroughly. Nice. Now just before the pros and cons, this printer saved my project. Reason? I was struggling to print the big version of my clipper guards, mainly because the prints were too weak, so using the resin print with the UV tough resin proved to be stronger and unsnappable. So here are my pros and benefits. Better printing quality? I mean, you can hardly see the prints. Waterproof prints, faster printing times, clear transparent prints, firmware updates. Anycubic is a trusted brand who have been making resin printers for a while now, and most importantly, it's extremely cheap for good quality, which is going just over 200 quid on Amazon now in 2024. It's a bargain, mate. Now for the cons. You will have to do more cleanup, and be careful of some of those resin fumes, but in the end, it's more than worth it for the results that you get. Hi fans and fellow designers, don't forget to like and subscribe for exciting content. And if you want to support me, donate by clicking on the links to help me make new entertaining projects for you.